Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix TikTok couldn't play video error. If you're trying to browse through TikTok but it is not doing so, instead it is showing you a message that says couldn't load video or couldn't play video, then here are some quick fixes for that. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The first thing to check is to make sure that you have connected your device to a strong and stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and find the best internet connection for yourself. Sometimes you won't be able to play or load your videos because of network issues. So once you have a strong internet connection, your problem might be fixed. If it still does not work, then the next thing to do is to refresh your network connection. Turn on your flight mode and wait for a couple of minutes. Now, turn it off back again, and once your device is connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, tap open your TikTok application and see if that fixes your issue. If it does, then that's great. If it does not, the next thing to do is to clear out your app cache. For TikTok, navigate to the settings of your Android device and give it a tap. From the settings menu, scroll down until you find apps and tap it on. Search for TikTok from the list of the apps displayed on the next page and tap it on. This will open up your app info page. Click on the 4-stop button at the bottom right hand corner and click OK in the pop-up. Now tap on Storage from the same page. At the bottom right hand corner, select Clear Cache. This will clear out your cache data that has been accumulated on TikTok. Now once you do that, press hold the power button for your Android device and tap the restart button. Once you restart your system, go back to TikTok and see if that fixes your issue. If that still does not work, then the next solution is to allow permission for TikTok. Open settings on your Android one more time. From the settings menu, go to Apps. Select TikTok again. From the app info page, tap on Mobile Data. Allow background data users by toggling on the button right next to Allow background data users. And now go back from the app info page, scroll down to Permissions and tap Allow all the necessary permissions for your application. If any permission is denied, you'll be able to find it inside the denied category. Tap it on and select Allow from the options displayed. Now go back. Once you allow all the necessary permissions, tap open your TikTok app and see if that fixes your issue. If nothing else works out, you can uninstall your application and reinstall it back again. Simply spot TikTok application from the app drawer and press hold to the app. Tap on Uninstall in the pop-up and then confirm your selection by tapping on OK at the bottom of this page. Now, go back to your Play Store and re-download the application and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to load your video or play your video on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.